Dear Car Spy TV, please explain how to replace the blower motor in a Vauxhall Corsa D. That's the car that looks like this. P.S. Hurry up, it's going to rain later. I think he's right. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, the blower motor in this car is down there behind the glove box. That's the base of the blower motor there at the end of the screwdriver. And to remove it, we've first got to take out this big black pipe. See that? And that pipe is held in place by a plastic pin there. Here's a close-up of the pin. And to remove it, simply grab a prying tool and remove the central shaft. See it coming down there? And when that is mostly out, simply grab it like so and pull the whole pin down and out of position. Come on now. And now the pin's out the way, we can grab the pipe and move it slightly in that direction. Come on now. And off it pops. We now need to remove the power cable for the blower motor. That's this thing here. So we're going to squeeze these two tabs on the side. See those tabs? And we're going to hold those in. And now we're going to once again grab our prying tool and then pry the power cable out of position. And it's coming out nice and easily. Just like that. The blower motor is also held in place by not one, not two, but 3 bolts. And there they are. To undo those bolts, we need a socket, specifically a 5.5mm. That's an odd size. We're bound to have it in this kit though. So we've got a 10mm, 9, 8, 7, 6. Uh-oh. Maybe we've got a 5.5 in here instead. No, definitely no. No, no, no. We're in luck. We found one. Right. Where are those bolts? And there we are. All 3 bolts have been removed, which means the blower motor drops out of place. Just like that. Well, that's irritating. One of the tripods I'm using to make this video has broken. As we can see, the end will not stay on, which means the phone won't stay on the end of the tripod, and this is what I'm using for close-up shots. So I need to rummage through my spare parts and see if I can put something together. More relevant, hang on, is that if you need to buy a new blower motor for this type of car, they are on eBay. The cheapest I've seen is about £33. The most expensive I've seen is 50, 55. Wonder how much a new tripod is. Anyway, before fitting the new blower motor, it's a good idea just to clean the housing. This one, as we can see, is filthy. So we'll improve this. And of course, we'll let it dry out completely. I hope you can see all right. The camera's sort of balancing on whatever I've got. Ugh, look at all that dirt. From this point on, simply reverse the process I've already shown you. So, slide the blower motor into place. Replace the bolts. Now replace the power cable, which in my case I could barely get to because there's a camera in the way. Oh, come on, get in there. Finally. Before we go any further, let's check the blower motor actually works. Cross your fingers. Yes, that's absolutely fine. So all we need to do now is replace this black plastic, what's it called? Pipe, black plastic pipe. It's been a long day, and of course that needs to be held in place by this pin, which by some miracle I haven't lost. So one end of the pipe fits around this piece here. Hope you can see that all right. You can see better than me, that's for sure. And now the pin. Get in there. There you go, all done. A very simple job that only takes a few minutes, unless you're trying to film it and your tripod's packed up. Bad timing. The issue, by the way, is the thread at the bottom there is worn out, so it can no longer screw securely onto the end of this tripod, or indeed another one I tested, and that means I've got to go shopping. I hate shopping. This car needs to be tidied up. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.